I can't believe we actually found it. It is covered in mud. We will bring it back to life. She's in rough shape, but we'll bring her back to life. Let's get to work. This is going to be a huge project. I agree. I agree. Let's get to work. Wow, just look at that. Naruto's face is finally coming back to life. This is going to be an absolutely epic restoration. Look at this complete disaster. But it's still a GT3 RS under all that mud. Let's get to work. All right, bring it back slowly. Watch the mud right there. Watch the splitter, it's low.
Got it, going slow.
Need to reach the chassis rail.
I'm almost there. That's it, we're hooked up.
Let's see if this old winch still has some life in it. She's finally moving! Slowly does it, watch the front splitter. All good on this side, keep pulling. All right, she's finally loaded. Make sure that chain is tight on your side. Locked and secured, ready to move out. She's all yours. Take good care of her. It is finally here in one piece. This is going to be a massive build. She's a mess, but we'll make her shine. Careful, slowly does it. All right, we are on. Perfect, let's lock it. This is gonna be an epic restoration. The mud is really caked on here. Caked on here. Let's get to work. Pass me that small scraper, will you? Here you go, let's get all this mud off. This packed dust has to come out. We can't let it block the airflow. This oil is really baked on. It's gonna take a lot of degreaser. Yeah, but this citrus stuff works miracles. It'll be looking brand new soon. This is gonna look glass smooth. You can really feel the difference. It picks up every last bit of contamination. We have some soft spots here. This whole section needs to be cut out and replaced. this sill is looking brand new. Let me take over. Looking good, Naruto. We need to seal up these arch seams properly. This creates a fully waterproof barrier. Looks like we're finally ready for paint. Yeah, this metal is perfectly clean. Let's check this lower sill right here. Yeah, that's completely rotted through. This will definitely need a patch. We'll have to cut all this rust out. There we go, this sill is finally flush. Your turn to smooth it out. I will get it flush. Perfect blend. Locked in and perfectly smooth. Today we are prepping the filler for the GT3 RS. You need a perfectly smooth mix without any air pockets. This ensures a flawless finish on the bodywork. We need to build this up in thin layers. That's how you get that perfect feathered edge. This will show any high spots. We need this surface perfectly flat before the livery goes on. The 320 grit is making it like glass. It's making it like glass. Looking good. Almost ready for color.
Let's do it.
Looking good. Almost ready for color.
Let's do it.
Here goes the first pass of the orange base coat. That looks absolutely perfect. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. No bleeds at all. This is insane. Looks so sharp. Best livery we have ever done. Let's go. All right, let's get these torqued down.
Perfect, that's the final sequence.
She is finally back on the ground.
And she looks absolutely incredible.
Yeah. She is finally ready. Let's show them what we did. Just a little more. That is perfect. Everyone, perfect, it's aligning. This seat has to be perfectly secured. We are almost ready for the reveal. That looks absolutely incredible. All right, let's get this aligned. We finally got the whole interior reassembled. And that Naruto livery looks absolutely perfect. There we go, look at that mirror shine. This Naruto build is finally complete. This glass is finally clear for the reveal. This finish is absolutely flawless. The Hokage would definitely approve of this. We are finally putting the finishing touches on this beast. This livery deserves nothing less than perfection. And there it is, the ultimate Naruto GT3 RS. This polish makes the black faces pop. The Naruto edition is finally complete and ready to roll. There it is. That is the sound of pure power. She is finally complete. This is the ultimate GT3 RS, ready for the Leaf Village. She is finally ready for the track. She is absolutely perfect! We did it! We finally finished the Naruto GT3 RS. GT3 RS. It is a true masterpiece. She is finally complete. The details on this build are just perfect.